guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shatakshi. I hope you guys like it here. So I'm back with yet another video, and this is going to be the Sugarbox for the month of April, and the edition this time is called the Color Burst edition. Before we proceed into this video, let's announce the winner of the Sugarbox of last month, which is this. So as you guys know, this box is also going to be a giveaway box. This is also a collaboration with Sugarbox. They sent me out this box, but I ordered one for myself as well. So you guys know I've already subscribed for a year, and they also reached out to me saying that would I like to test the box. So this time also I'll be giving out it away. You can check the description box for all of the rules, and without any wasting any further time, let's just get into it. So the first thing inside the box is obviously this particular hat, which has an ice cream made on top of it. It is a light mint hat and totally summer appropriate, and this is how it looks like. The next thing that I see inside the box is this particular sipper. It is a holographic sipper with all of the cartoon characters, like some bats, some ice cream, some cactus, some taxi and cupcakes, and everything that summers are made of. The next thing inside the box that I can see is this particular thing. This is a face and body gel scrub. I got it in the flavor coffee. Moving on to the next thing, we also get a treat just like always, and this is Triplex. It is a wafer, if I'm not wrong. That is that. We also get some accessories options this time. So this is one accessory. The one I can see is crown, and then we also get 4 other options. So you can keep on changing the pendants and it will look like a different necklace altogether. The clothing item this month is this, and this is a very summer appropriate jumpsuit. So this is how it looks like. It almost looks like an apron, but it's not, I assure you, because when you accessorize it, it will look very pretty. So this is how the jumpsuit looks like. It is backless, so you'll have to tie it around your neck. And please imagine me wearing this, like it's very loose, very flowy. It's not the length is not big enough, so it would be somewhere like up to mid of your legs, like between the knee and this, like you get the idea, right? So yeah, so it will be kind of like caperish kind of height, and that is that. And the last thing in the box is this bag which says drama. So the bag looks like this. It has a zip here, and also this particular thing opens up. So you can put your stuff here as well as you can put it in the zip. So those are the two compartments, nothing else to it. The length is not very big enough. It is just like your handbag. I don't think you'll be able to carry it like this, otherwise you'll be sweeping all the floor. So that is it, that we received everything in this particular month. Let me know which one was your favorite product. If I think about mine, I think the zipper was pretty cool. The bag is okay. I didn't like it that much. Like the quality is not so good, but it's not so bad either. And this one. So check out the description box below for all of the rules for the giveaway of this box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, and I love you guys.